everybody, welcome back to the shop. Part 2 about our baritone ukulele. Let's see what we got. All right, everybody. So if you're just joining us, so in part 1 we learned how to make a call as a clamp so it will have a wide transference of energy versus the style of clamp over here where it's just a single spot. Also, I showed how to water down your glue and put water in the seam to draw in capillary action as the joint hardens. So it's been sitting here for 24 hours, and we're going to remove the caul. And that is clean, clean, clean. I'll post a picture of this. There's no glue squeeze out. We were able to get all that in the other video, and the remnants of what was here dried clear. So that blends in all the way around just beautifully. So the last thing that we have to do is get some new wires on her. We're going to go with Diodario baritone ukulele strings. So we'll get her strung up and then play it, and it goes back to the customer. They'll be good to go. Well, all right, everybody. Hope you learned something. Did the figure 8 knots on when I was getting it tuned back up. I did leave it a step low due to that bridge problem that I talked about, and we'll deal with that if it ever has to happen. That sounds like good ukulele music. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Have a great day. Maybe we'll get a little drink with the umbrellas in it. Thanks for joining me in the shop. See you next time around.